All right, this is my latest update on my Lego Rescue and Restoration. I've been working on some Speed Champions cars. These are three different sets, two single packs and a double pack. On average, I got all of these for about $10 per car, is what I got them for. But I'm going to go through each set and or car, telling you what I had to do to restore them and what prices I end up paying. So this first one is a McLaren. It is a retired set. The box was pretty beat up. Prices on it used, which is what this one is. They go for about $30. And if you have them new in the box, it goes for about $75. That's what it looks like. I was kind of lucky. Had the minifigure, all of the major pieces. I would say it was probably about, 98% complete. And all of the pieces I was either able to find in my own bulk that I had at home or at my local pick-a-part store. I'm going to say about $11 is what I have into it. The one bad thing was the stickers were missing. Someone put one sticker on the backdrop there for the minifigure for his desk, but all of the ones for the cars are missing. So I'm going to have to order these. The stickers themselves are not that expensive. Probably can pick them up for less than $1. Problem is I'm probably going to have to pay about $5 shipping. So I'm probably going to be, when I'm all said and done, probably into this car about $17. But when you consider if I was to buy it used on eBay, same condition, it's 30, so save 13. So this was still very much worth what I put into it. And it was a McLaren. Don't know if I said that or not. Next one is a 2-pack of some Mercedes. You've got a regular car and a Formula One car. This set goes for about $20 used and about $60 new still in the pack. This is when I called Lego, or I contacted Lego trying to get some stickers for it, because that's the main problem on this one. They said it was retired, but yet you can still find them in store. So I would say it's kind of retired. So they're going for $20 used, $60 in the box. And so seeing how I paid about $10 per car, actually, I think with this one, I think I paid about $15 for the set. I don't think I actually paid $10 per car on this one. I think it was $15 for the set. So I really only have about $5 to work with. And luckily, all the minifigures, I think the majority of the parts, I think all the parts are there. I didn't have to go shop in any parts. The bad thing is it had the stickers. They hadn't been stuck on the car, but one of the sticker sheets was missing 3 stickers. And you can see this has a side panel. This one is missing the stickers on the side panel. Try to get the stickers through lego.com. They claim they didn't have any of them, even though you could still buy them in stores. So I ended up having to get them from a reseller. Paid, like I said, it was like not even $1 for the sticker sheet, but I'm paying $5 in shipping. So around $6. I paid $15. Turns out maybe I could have saved money on this by just buying it whole. They're $20 used, but you still have to pay shipping on top of that. To ship a set like this, it's going to be about like $12. So when you figure out shipping, I probably either saved a teeny bit of money or broke even. This last one is a Speed Champions Lamborghini. This is a retired set. Going for used about $17, new in the box, $40. This one was didn't have the minifigure, missing all of the stickers. It did have the minifigure, missing a couple pieces. I think all in, I'm about $11 or less with what I paid for it plus the part. I'm going to have to order stickers. It's going to probably cost me about $6 to get the stickers in. I did try to get them through Lego. They said they're sending them to me. So if that's the case, it didn't cost me anything. But if I have to buy stickers, I'm going to be right at $17, which is what you would buy for a used price. So I kind of broke even, but if you figure shipping, I saved a little bit of money. All in all, pretty happy with these sets. If you take them as a whole, I definitely saved money, especially with this McLaren right here. I saved a lot of money on that one. Still fun little project, still enjoying what I'm doing. I love putting these together, these incomplete sets, and making them complete, either adding them to my collection or pass them on to another collector for their collection. Thank you, and tune in for more.